I'm Tyler Van Winkle, and I'm going to do the final checkoff for standard precautions. I will verify, interpret, and evaluate the physician's orders and protocol. I'll scan the chart for any pertinent information that I need to know. I will wash my hands and apply a disinfectant. I will then gather the equipment, assemble the equipment if needed, and verify the function of that equipment. I then will make sure there's no malfunctions in the equipment. I will grab any PPE that is needed. I will identify the patient, introduce myself as well as the department, and then we'll tell the patient the procedure and make sure that they understand. I then can start my hand washing portion of the standard precautions. First, I will make sure I have no jewelry on. I'm going to take that off, and I will turn the water faucet on to the appropriate temperature. After the water is on, I will grab some soap, place on my hands, and start washing my hands. I will wash my hands for over 15 seconds. You can say the alphabet or whatever that makes you wash them long enough. I'll make sure I get, palm, between the fingers, around the fingernails, all the way up to the forearms. Then, as I'm rinsing my hands, I want to rinse in a downward fashion where I'm not contaminating anything. I'll rinse from the forearms down to the fingertips. After I've rinsed my hands, I'll grab a paper towel, dry my hands, and then I can discard that paper towel. I'll then grab a new paper towel, non-used, and shut off the faucet so I don't contaminate anything. After this, I can throw away that. Then I'll scan the patient's chart and look for any transmission-based precautions that I need. If there are any, I'll apply the PPE in the appropriate order that is needed. Then I will perform the procedure. After the procedure is done, I will bag seal and label any infectious equipment. I then will remove my PPE in the correct sequence. I will bag any infectious waste. I will then rewash my hands, and I'll take that bag of infectious waste that I had into a low traffic area.